Hello everyone, it's Switch again here. Today we will take a look at our new Second Brain template and learn how to make the most of it. This is gonna help you manage your knowledge. Okay, first this is the overall look of the template. There is several sections: quick button, personal companion, navigation, quotes, finance, habit, inbox, this week, areas, resources, notes, and calendar. Okay, so quick description here. On the top side, we have the 7 quick buttons to add new project, task, resource, note, quote, income, and expense. The next is personal companion. It acts as our assistant to inform and remind us of our today task and habit. The next is navigation section. So here we have several menus to quickly navigate through our dashboard. You can see here we have project, area, resources, and archive, or para based on Thiago Forte's Second Brain method. There are also additional features such as reads, finance, habit, and quotes. We will back with more detail later. The next is quotes. This is a collection of our favorite quotes with the image that we can add ourselves, which will shuffle randomly in short time period. The next is financial summary of this month. And then there is today habit checklist for us to complete. Okay, go to the right side, there is inbox. The inbox section is for the task, project, resources, and notes, which is not yet having a sure date or still an idea that needs to be confirmed later. The next is this week's section. It is made of our tasks, projects that due this week, and also our collection of this week habit data, which you can see by just clicking this tab. The next is areas. So each of our project, tasks, resources, and notes is categorized within 8 areas of our lives. Therefore, inside you can see it's filtered by the area if we click it. The next is resources and notes. After we change the inbox stats of the resources and notes to in review, it will be moved here. Then, after we review it and change the status, it will move to the other tab, Review. The last is Calendar. Here, you can see the monthly view of our tasks that due this month, our habit and journal progress, and also our monthly income and expense transaction. Okay, let's move into more detailed explanation. So, if you want to add a new project, task, resource, and the others quickly, you can utilize these buttons here. Let's try a new task for example. It will automatically be on the inbox status, which can be changed later. Add the project relation and the due date, and description if there is any. You can also add notes or resources here by clicking here. Then, after that, you can see it is added in the task inbox section here. It is the same with the other button. If we want to add subtasks, just hover to the side and click display button. The next is our personal companion. So first, we can rename this Jarvis up to our liking. And then we need to click and change the your name property to our own name so that it feels more personal. And that's it. It will show what task needs to be done today and remind us about our habit too. The next is navigation section. We will open it one by one. So the first one is areas. Inside, you can see 8 areas of life, and if we click one, you can see the related project, resources, notes, books, and calendar filtered to the area only. It is great to review our life based on the area so that we can achieve more balanced progress in the whole areas of our lives. We can go back to dashboard or areas by clicking these buttons. The next section is project. You can see our project by status or by area. Calendar and timeline view also provided to make it easier to manage our project. The next is the task section. It is a task manager template by itself. It's complete with task view by priority or by project. We also have the priority center as great information board for our tasks. The next is resources. Here, you can see our resources by project, task, status, or even type. At the bottom is all of the records of our resources. And the next is notes. It's the same with the resources. So here we can see our notes by project and task, or by area and status. At the bottom, also is the records of all our notes. The next is reads. It basically tracks our book read with its details shown here. You can add new books or new book quotes using the button. You can set our reading goal too by clicking this and changing the target and the finish. And then the progress will be automatically changed. The book shelf is divided by status of the reading, which is current read, to read for next read, and finish in the finish tab. Each will show different stats depending on the tabs. You can update the page by clicking either update the current page or the status. The next is finances. There is a summary of this month, our account, complete with expense category, income, expense, and transfer section, which already grouped by month to make it easier to track. Simply click plus new in the new income, expense, transfer, or account to make a new transaction or account. The next is habit and journal. So the habit tracker will automatically adding a new page each day. So we just need to tick the habit we want to track. We have 4 habits here, which we can change the habit name and also the icon. After we complete the habit, it will show in the calendar below and the graph beside. To refresh, simply click this on the graph. We can click the tab to see our habit from today, this week, this month, or all records. Inside the page is the simple journal to reflect on our day. Okay, the next one is quotes. So we can add new quotes that will be displayed on the dashboard from here or from the button in the quick button section. Simply write the quote and add the image and write the author to make it more aesthetic. And then here is our database. It stores all of our data, so please don't delete anything here. Okay, the last is archives. Inside is the collection of projects that is archived, tasks that has been done, and resource and notes that has been archived, where the archive box is ticked. With our second brain template, we can track our project and tasks easily, which have its own areas, and then we can relate it with useful resources, where we can use Chrome extension Save to Notion for resources and also notes. We can also manage other aspects of our lives like finance, habit, and all read. Our personal companion will be there to remind us too, and it's also mobile phone friendly. Okay, that's it for our second brain template. Hope you find it useful. If you have any question, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more template and Notion tips and tricks. The download link is in the description below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.